What do you guys think about that line he says to Rashmika's character? He's like, you can forgive me for all those murders, you can't forgive me for sleeping with one woman?
सही तो बोला. So I was pitching this podcast to another friend of mine, and I'm like, bro, you know, we should like have like a debate between the people who hated Animal and the people who loved Animal. He's like, so yeah, so like vegan people.
God.
Sandeep Reddy Wanga watches this. Bro, I hope you know you have mental issues. Please,
You don't.
please seek help.
I love you.
I mean, how far is India from stripper clubs? But
Isn't there one Koramangala or something?
It's fucking disgusting, bro. Send me the location.
Dune also makes up for a conversation. really
I don't think it's
fucked up.
creating waves though. It's not creating dunes.
Sandeep Reddy Vanga is slightly, I think, right wing. He makes him wear like kurta pajama in his fight scenes.
भाई कुर्ता पहन लिया तो राइट विंग कैसे हो गया यार?
I used to know a friend in 12th who would eat Maggie 5 days a week.
You know how to make her unobsessed? You know
Yeah.
bro code?
Yeah.
Make her make Maggie with bro code and have it.
What's bro?
Bro code, man. Not like bro code like how we have with girls and all.
If I had a dollar every time I was the underdog, I'd be living on an island made of solid gold. For all the times that I felt I wasn't good enough, I'd be balling now, man, like I own the world.
What's up, fam? Welcome to the Only Friends podcast. This show contains a lot of unhinged humor and some obnoxiously offensive comments. So if you're a person that gets easily triggered, please stay till the very end because we clearly want to divide you guys. So today on the podcast we have mere bhai log, very special. We have Vishesh and Anvesha. I think it's 3 months since a huge phenomenon occurred in the Indian cinematic universe.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Animal.
What do you guys think about that line he says that to Rashmika's character? He's like, you can forgive me for all those murders, you can't forgive me for sleeping with one woman?
सही तो बोला.
It's just bizarre talk about.
bizarre, bro.
No, but
It's
what
fucking bizarre.
do you guys think about that? Your take.
I mean, obviously you can't justify killing people. Neither can you justify cheating, bro. Like the fact
But
that
like
he
killing
said
people
that.
because they were coming for your dad, you can justify that.
You can
right?
justify that.
But like if you
The moral compass
yeah,
is okay with murdering people who are trying to attack your family. It's not okay for you to use a different means that you thought was like, okay, I'll cheat on my wife just so I can like maneuver this situation. I mean,
okay, hot take. At first I was disgusted. Then I'm like, let me put myself in his shoes. Okay, he's a psycho guy.
Yeah, he is
It
fucked
made
up.
see in
It
his
makes
mind
sense.
it made sense. He's like, I have to
Exactly.
save my dad and to get like
Exactly.
info out of her. I need to sleep. I need to convince her that I am in it with her.
Why can't people just like think about stuff, man? I just feel like people, if people don't like a character, they just like personally relate that character to themselves and check if it's like bothering matching your morals, your principles.
like-
If it doesn't, they fucking bash on the movie. That's
but again, like, see, all of his brothers that he picked up from his village, okay, his hometown, they were also like engaging in other things, and
Yeah.
that was not for
Pimping.
them. There was no reason to like. They were not saving their dads,
But
their
they're like
hometown.
living the luxurious life जो घर पे नहीं मिल रहा था बीवी से दूर हो the पैसा
Like,
है.
still. But I think because it was in that whole context, it came off as like a very fucked up.
as audience, I just feel like we need to just accept that it's the world we live in, not try to be like, oh shit, this stuff like this should not be shown, like what the fuck, it
It's a
triggers
very
me.
unrealistic situation anyway. किसके बाप पे ऐसे लोग जाएंगे to sleep with women to justify? That's not a very real life realistic situation.
Yeah, भाई ये वो 4 more shots please है ना,
Oh my god.
उसमें तो साला that there's this lady that like cheats on her really nice boyfriend. I think what's his
wait.
name?
What are we talking about again?
4
more shots
the
please.
TV
There was
show.
this TV
I
show.
have not watched it.
There's this feminist kind of TV show. I quite liked the first season, to be honest.
It's a good.
It's a good season, but I'll tell you what happens.
Okay.
I think in like the 3rd or 4th season, there is this really successful journalist kind of lady who has a pretty decent boyfriend. He owns like a huge bar in Mumbai and stuff. And
And he's hot.
yeah, I guess. So like his character is also like this nice dude kind of thing. And somehow she like, falls for another guy and cheats on this Pavam guy, and obviously confesses to him. But the reason that she gives is just that I was just like, bored. And not a lot of people spoke about that.
Good thing.
Because FOMO Shots Please also is pretty famous. People
Yeah.
talk about how sassy and all they are, but why didn't you talk about this? This is also problematic, no?
Because I think
I feel like it's just hypocrisy, dude.
women are not. I don't think women go out and see these other crazy women and go like, I want to be like that. I think they have.
I think they kind of do. I think that's a very liberal thing in their minds.
I agree with him.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think in India it's not like that.
At least in the big cities and all. people
Woman
are
is right
getting-
here. No one is asking.
True though, yeah.
But do you feel like when you watch these movies, do you feel like, oh shit, it's a bad movie to be out there for like young women to watch? Or the series?
You know, I kind
Shows?
of like him. I view art as art. Like, I don't think of it too deep. Ki, it has a
Hmm.
negative impact on society. I think you can be smart enough to decide that for yourself. Ki, ye bura hai, just watch it for what it is, and then like move on with your life.
But देखो इंडिया में ये कल्चर तो है कि people put like their actors poster on their car
Oh,
and like
yeah.
stuff. Okay.
Mhm.
And they're invited to weddings. They're invited to political events.
Mhm.
That bit is slightly separated in other countries. But here it's a very mainstream thing, no? Like they're more involved in.
Idolizing, worshipping them.
Yeah, that happens here. So the same rules don't apply to us.
But at the same time, I don't think
Like
I
look at
understand.
Tamil Nadu
I
as an
understand.
example.
Okay,
They're bonkers about their
100%,
Rajinikanth.
Yeah.
100%. Dude,
Like
not
Vijay,
even
this, that, yeah.
Vijay, Surya, and all. So I feel like I don't think an actor can be idolized only for one movie. That is my take.
actors are fine.
Because I really don't think there's like this random auto driver that will put up, a poster of Animal on his auto and be like, "Bhai, this is my favorite." Like,
How do.
But I did like the movie I hated the movie for the character arc, like I said. But I loved it for like Sandeep Reddy Vanga is slightly, I think, right wing. Okay, so he makes him wear like kurta pajama in his fight scenes against like these suits.
dude, that's fucking, dude, that's like,
that make in India thing.
that's like prejudicing him, dude. Like, you're like, come on. भाई कुर्ता पहन लिया तो राइट विंग कैसे हो गया यार?
Song Arjun Valley, okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the genre of
This
what the
Punjabi.
lyrics?
Punjabi, like
No,
a war
no,
cry
no.
kind of
No.
thing.
Then?
So it's a genre in not very ancient India. I mean ancient India of warrior songs. Okay.
Ah.
People would always have music and folklore and art of the warriors that were there from that region. So he did, for him to do that takes effort to go find out the singers who know that song, find out the lyrics, and then make it
Okay,
in
but,
that way.
But-
how is he right? Like even the Jamal Kudu.
In that way, it's like
Yeah,
an
yeah.
Iranian song. So he's like what? An
Iranian.
Iranian supporter
no,
or
no,
what?
no. I'm not like saying that, but I'm saying that he makes that effort into like bringing out the authenticity of these
But
like
they're
Yeah, that's
Punjabis
characters.
anyway, no?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
think
that-
it
it makes
goes with
sense,
the
yeah.
theme.
But I liked
Because I don't think it's like right wing or anything.
No,
I
no, no.
don't. I honestly feel like
Yeah.
he's not apolitical.
have you seen his Twitter?
He's definitely not left wing. I don't.
not left
He's
wing, for
definitely
sure.
not left wing.
But he's not an extreme right wing. Also,
Have you
come
seen
on,
the
man. He's a
interview where
filmmaker.
Where
Yeah.
he talks about Rajiv Masan and he's talking.
He's like, there was this fat dude that critiqued my film. What is his name? Rajiv Masan. Ha, that fat dude.
I mean, is he wrong? What do you guys think of Rajiv Masan?
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a
Actually
fuck about it.
same.
Yeah. I think I.
Fuck you. If
Yeah,
you think
man.
you matter with like this.
Yeah.
You've made it. How do they get paid? What is the business model?
Business.
That what I've heard or
With
like
food
seen
critics, I
is like
understand they're invited to like these
what I've
restaurants
seen
and
is like what I believe is that they fucking just get paid by the big shots.
Movies to talk
Yeah.
about.
movies itself to like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Promote
that's
them.
all. That is a thing in everything. No, critiquing not only in like film critiques, like even in like automobile it happens, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Like people pay auto car and all to like say good stuff about your.
But Rajiv Masan was bashing the movie. Then how will he get paid? Negative publicity. But the movie's getting
Yeah, you get publicity, so you get bigger, and then you get paid by other big movies to talk about you.
See, it's the same thing with like, you know, Anupama Chopra and all.
Because she's Vidhu Vinod
Yeah.
Chopra's wife.
I do not see. I feel like she has good knowledge about the film industry and like she's a
Yeah.
cinephile as well. But dude, like, you can't just like, dude, Sanju as a movie,
Very fucked up.
dude, fucked up, dude. Come on, I'm a huge Raju Irani
it
fan.
was
Okay,
fucked up, yeah.
Raju Irani fan, but
Fucked
like,
up in the sense? Like a bad movie?
it was a bad movie, dude. Like,
It was
you
a
know,
bad movie, and just like, I mean, Sanju as a character is also like very. You can see that there are similarities.
Yeah,
Because
and
I-
also the facts were wrong. Like,
They were?
yeah,
I
dude.
mean, it's obviously going to be mixed with fiction. Nah? It can't be completely his autobiography.
But I don't know. It just seemed like Sanju wanted
PR
people to
stunt
just love
for-
Sanjay Dutt even more.
I think it was a PR
I mean,
stunt.
that Shilpa Shetty's like husband also did
Raj
a movie
Kundra.
on him.
There's a movie on him
Yeah, he produced his own movie
about his life.
about
जब भी
his
हुआ था.
life, about when he got caught, what happened.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
You know what happened to Raj Kundra, no?
Oh, that porn thing, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Disgusting, bro. Send me the link.
It's what I mean. What do you expect, like, bro? You're not. क्या मतलब किस? How do you show yourself as this like separate good guy who just got into the bad things and then you don't deserve all this punishment? Fuck you.
I know.
Yeah. You're dumb. Even if you're dumb, you accept like that's how natural selection is.
Again.
You'll get belted by the cops if you're dumb.
Again.
Or if you're arrogant. Fuck
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Another hot take. I feel like actors or celebrities in general should not be seen as role models.
Of course they should.
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah.
But होता है.
But हो जाता है.
And होता रहेगा. It's
होता
never
रहेगा.
going to stop.
वो movie like that ending of Wasipur is like जब तक सिनेमा है लोग चूतिया बनते रहेंगे ना.
I haven't watched Gangs of Wasipur. I have a very close friend that keeps like pestering me about
You
the
have not
movie.
watched it?
I have watched bits of the movie. But
Like on YouTube and
yeah.
Instagram.
Memes
You
and
watch
all I
all
know.
that?
I know all the Chabi Nikal memes and all that.
You guys
Which is
But,
गाड़ी start कर? That is Wasipur.
Chabi
क्या?
Nikal, हाँ, गाड़ी stuck.
have to.
नहीं नहीं, the गाड़ी start and they start running to it.
Yeah, that's Wasipur.
That's
Yeah,
Wasipur, right?
one of
You
the
have to
movies.
watch it.
Yeah, I have to.
Have to. It's really good.
But isn't Wasipur also like misogynistic and all?
But
Why
it
didn't
doesn't-
anyone
it's
like?
not mass, no? Like he doesn't make a single character go like there's music about him and they, like when he's walking there's like theme music.
So it's fair. It's fair to like not
yeah,
be
because
judged
they all
just because
they
it's
all
not
die
mass.
in the end like dogs, and then
Yeah.
it's a dog eat dog movie. But it's nice. It's entertaining.
Like,
I thought you talk about Rameshwaram.
oh, the
I feel like
overratedness or the cafe?
I feel like
I
Rameshwaram
like it.
doesn't
I like
deserve the hate it gets.
Of course it doesn't.
Doesn't see. I think people who hate it are people who think because all of these like North Indians are eating this and they're taking this as a taste of South India.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's mostly South Indians hating on, or like very people who've been here for the longest time who feel like, bro, we make much better dosa.
Only the conservative ones who think that only Vidyarthi Bhavan or CTR or my dosa place next to Malleshwaram.
But it's good. Like
It's
it has
good,
this.
man.
I mean, it's like Domino's for dosas. I think.
I mean, just
It's
because
gonna
it
come.
has like 5
It makes sense.
ghee in it.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I love ghee.
I love ghee, but I can like bathe in ghee. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I just like the entire business model. Like, it's actually impressive.
Consistency, hai, bro. Like
Yeah, there's like a full-on brand
sometimes,
language.
yeah, all these like Udupi places. Someday the idli is like chutney is good. The other day it's shit.
Yeah.
So like at least consistency. They're doing something.
Apparently,
nice.
they make like 20 crores in profits year.
Yeah, they have like some 70%
Per
profit.
lunch or something.
But-
Yeah. Not
Yeah,
as an
I did-
entire
it is
thing.
crazy. It
Yeah.
might as well be that number. It's
But
very
don't you think
crazy.
it's crazy? Like 1 week after the blast, they were up and running again.
Dude, some of my friends went like the second day also.
They don't care. Huh?
Yeah, because they know that the dosa there is also the bomb.
Okay.
Get it?
I have a cold. I don't know why I'm drinking Coke. Cold से याद आया Corner House.
Oh. Oh.
Most overrated fucking place ever, man.
I don't know
Start.
if I should agree or disagree.
Yeah.
I think most people like Corner House for the nostalgic aspect of it. That has to be my take on it.
I ate my first corner house, I think, when I started my job, so it was not a nostalgia thing for me.
What?
Yeah.
I mean, I always knew Corner House was a thing, but the first time I ever had was in first year of college.
I've never had CTR, I've never had Vidyarthi Bhavan.
Fuck you for that, bro.
Even I have not had these two places.
Fuck you for that.
I
fucking
then
love
had
CTR, man. You can't do
Rameshwaram
that.
Cafe.
You have
That's
to
why
have-
I think people
You deserve that hate, bro.
Yeah. I think the hate is not towards
Hate-
Rameshwaram,
yeah.
it's for people
Hate
who
is-
like Rameshwaram over other places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you should try CTR. CTR is like relatively closer. CTR is here only, Malleshwaram.
CT और MTR में क्या difference है?
बहुत सारा. CTR is a... MTR is like that full brand, like the pickle, everything. And so the brand was first and then the hotel came
Yeah.
second.
Yeah.
But CTR is mainly only during the independence time they had like set it up.
Oh, it's that old?
Dude, it's 1901 or something. It's like more than 100 years
Before
old.
Independence type restaurants
More than 100 years old. And the tiles, the windows and all are still the same.
are still the same.
Crazy.
Talk about Corner House.
Shit, yeah.
Okay. I don't like it that much.
Yeah.
It's
Nothing
it's very
is
heavy.
great
I
about
feel.
it.
The DBC?
Yeah.
I've never finished one in my life.
Yeah, DBC is the firstly it's the worst looking dessert.
I don't get ice cream places.
उल्टी जैसे दिखता है
उल्टी
बहनचोद.
जैसे दिखता
It has those peanuts and all.
Tulti
And
God
peanuts
knows
होते
how
हैं.
your vomit is. I didn't.
मतलब
I didn't
DBC
want to
खाए तो
stress
उल्टी
it,
में
but-
peanuts होगा.
Like there's this thing now that like they have palm oil and shit.
Yeah,
And
it's
if you
not
take
very-
Amul ice cream and you just leave it be outside the refrigerator, it'll like split into foam and oil.
Damn, like you're talking about the ice cream boxes, like the
Normal
family
old
box
ice cream
also.
Boxes, yeah. So now
Oh.
people only eat like these brands that are actual ice creams, which is like Baskin Robbins, NIC, which are actual ice creams. They will not like
Dairy.
it'll become like milk if
Yeah.
it melts.
I fucking love Amul ice cream, bro. Especially the Amul vanilla one.
Like, ठीक है ना, people smoke and all.
Yeah, dude. I don't know how they do that.
Oh,
Disgusting. एक drag दे.
छी यार कैसे करता है care नहीं क्या हेल्प का also do you guys ever eat like all those funky jazzy LGBTQ colors
what? No.
no I don't think any
Like the Faluda and all that.
yeah like
Man's
guava or like cotton candy and shit
No.
like I
Yeah,
can
it's fucking
taste
gay
it.
as fuck, bro.
I can eat like 2 spoons but how do you like eat the whole cup of it
Yeah.
I don't
doesn't
know.
make sense
Yeah, no.
I just stick to the usuals, the chocolate, the vanilla.
Yeah, I think-
with brownie, whatever.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Abhishek Bachchan deserves more praise.
I have not watched like
Yeah,
maybe more
I've
than
not
2
followed him
movies of
too
him
much, yeah.
dude.
I saw Ludo
Which
and I
one?
was a
तो-
fan.
Lodu?
Ludo nahi mein Ludo.
Ludo
See, these kind of things
Yeah, this will
like impromptu ke Ludo.
What do you guys think of Taylor Swift?
there
Very
was-
overrated.
Yeah, I agree. I did. There was this phase I think in college where I would listen to this blank space, thoda sa, and I would listen to some other female artists. I don't know.
Selena Gomez,
No, fuck no.
Katy Perry.
Yeah, there was this song called Dark Horse. That was nice.
What do you
What
guys
about the
think about?
Kardashians?
Yeah, what do you guys think about them?
About?
Like say Kendall and Kylie.
I don't.
Even I haven't followed. I don't follow. I think like my girlfriend watches all that, keeping up with the Dashians and all.
Do you guys think they're very like? What do you guys think about this whole plastic surgery frenzy?
Chhi any day.
Yeah.
Chi?
Yeah.
Why chi?
Fuck it.
Not chi, but like I don't encourage it, dude. Like that does harm to your skin. No, why would you
Bro,
do that?
fuck the harm. Even if it was not harmful, the idea of you considering yourself like so imperfect that you go out and like reshape.
Yeah.
I'm like not talking about exercise. Okay, that's a different thing. Or
Why is
yoga.
that different? Only because it's natural and you're
Yeah,
bettering yourself.
Yeah. And you're accepting that okay, maybe I'm a 0 now or like a 2 out of 10 now, and I can work
Or
out
like
and
me.
maybe a leaner and a better looking version. I can be like a 7 or 8.
But if you have
That's
like
better.
qualms with your face तो तुम change नहीं कर सकते ना,
नहीं.
like through exercise. Then
You
why is it?
kinda can.
See,
dude.
like if you are
Like
not
you're-
able to breathe,
Hmm.
I understand.
Hmm.
Like if your hand is not working,
Yeah,
I
if
understand.
something not
If you are
functioning with your
missing a
body.
finger or you have an extra finger,
Yeah.
Who has an extra? What am I missing here?
Hrithik.
Hrithik Roshan.
Oh!
Oh, fuck, we can talk about that guy also.
But no, but my question is, like, if you're not happy with your body, that's also like vanity, you know, कि अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ मैं,
See.
so I can go work out, I can get lean. But like, say I don't like my lips or I don't like how my nose looks. Why is it wrong for you to go get surgery?
I think it looks fine, bro.
अरे, मेरी बात नहीं कर रही मैं
Oh, अच्छा.
लड़ू.
There's nature in human species makes women generally very beautiful. Okay, even if the brother is ugly, okay, the sister will
What?
still turn out fine. I'm saying like
Simp.
see, generally, okay, like see,
Yeah,
I
that
feel
makes
like
sense.
nature makes you better looking.
बहन की सैलरी आ गई लगता
Okay.
है.
Yeah.
बहन है.
Okay, but nahin, I have
भाई
cousin
है
sisters.
ना?
nahin. Yeah,
Cousins,
younger brother.
okay.
Yeah. But I think like see, okay, whatever
नहीं तो
nature, okay.
either that or इसकी शादी हो रही है इसलिए.
we have in our species, in our like let's say man and woman type thing, okay, it's the men that go after the women mostly, okay?
Yeah.
Mostly, safe to say, okay.
Yeah.
So which means that you're generally attractive for your potential mates, okay.
But they
why
go
the
to you-
fuck do you wanna like teach young women like, bro, your body is not enough.
My
अरे
only
मेरी
thing
बात
is,
सुन. The men approach the pretty women, right? It's not like they
hey,
approach
not
any
really,
woman.
not really, dude. Like
have you-
at a club, okay. Let's say you're at a club.
Okay, you know, I have
Let's
this very
say-
important question to ask. Do you think a man would go for any woman?
Yeah.
Like, no standards, no
No.
nothing. You'll go for anybody.
I think he will.
Not
dude,
for a long-term partner.
Okay, to like hit it.
like for like a hookup.
Yeah,
I
they'll
think
go for any
a
woman.
pretty desperate man will, bro. Come on, where?
But
what
again,
is-
you're taking like an abnormal man with another.
That is not abnormal. I have been desperate at times, bro.
Yeah, like say 10 men. Okay, you take a set of 10 men. How many, like what percentage of them generally do you think would be very desperate?
At least like 7 or 8 of them.
The fuck are you talking about?
Dude,
I don't-
example.
Okay.
We're all at a club.
Okay.
Let's say we're all girls, okay? You're like the most prettiest, okay? She like decent, I'm like the worst looking.
I'm the only woman here and I've been deemed like mid. Thank you.
So yeah, let's say that is the scenario. Do you really think not even a single man will approach me throughout the night? I'm all glammed up.
Yeah.
I'm wearing like the best dress and everything, but
yeah.
still.
But it's not in a respectable, like nice way, no? Like you know
approach to
you're.
like hook up
Approach
with you.
as an
Or
approach.
boy. Not like.
But how is that a good thing?
No, I'm just asking.
Good nahi bol raha hu. We're having a conversation about how men will eventually pick anyone.
Yeah. What do you think?
Men do goats also, no? In
Men
some
do
parts
horse
of the
also.
world.
Men do what?
Goats.
Oh yeah, they do lizards also, no?
So that's not
Oh.
counted. See, I feel, okay,
The lizards
generally,
That's disgusting.
okay, if you don't feel good about your body, you can work on it to make yourself accepted. Okay, like
100%.
exercising, yoga really turns it around.
Is
I know.
money everything?
No.
It's
I think
part
it
of
is.
it.
I think it is.
Maybe 10%. I feel.
No, I don't think
Yeah,
10.
come on,
I
dude.
say at least
This is what just
60,
because a
70.
data analyst means what?
I feel.
I think it's most of everything.
Yeah, I also agree.
It genuinely is, man. Because no girl wants to date
Marry
a
a
broke
broke, brokey.
dude. Date तो छोड़ो, date हो जाएगा, but no one will marry a broke dude.
I used to be called Billy Jirle, by the way,
What?
which is white cockroach. I used to be called Billy Jirle. I used to be called a lot of things, and it was just like it's not just one thing. It's everyone gets like belted on their insecurities. I wasn't even insecure about it until they started calling me Billy
I didn't
Chille. I
know
was
that
like,
it's a problem.
why am I Billy?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know it's a problem. Like I used to, there were pictures, like in group pictures and all. I was not seen because of lighting also.
Obviously.
Okay? Because of lighting also. They'll be like, hey, where is this guy?
Where is Aditya?
Hey,
Macha,
hey,
you
Barack
come,
Obama. Hey, hey. But I'm like, I used to laugh at it. I'm like, yeah, it's true only. Now that I think of it, it was very racist.
Impact to hai. Like you can't say one thing doesn't have an impact or actors don't matter. Like everything matters. Everything. If slapping your wife matters, then doing it on screen and other people watching it matters because your wife's gonna leave you in reality.
But he didn't slap her, no? Like he just like choked her.
No, like I'm talking about like
How is that better?
previous movies and stuff.
Yeah, like Kabir
referring to
Singh.
that.
Hey, some people like the choking and all.
Not in that situation.
Oh, you know what would be funny? When he choked Rashmika and Rashmika like, harder daddy.
भाई तू कोक पिएगा या माउंटेन ड्यू
मेरा
पिएगा?
हो गया यार।
लाइक मतलब कलेश करवाना है तुझे।
Yeah.
पहला पॉडकास्ट है भाई लाइक।
Not like people are going to watch it also. Oh my god, they're mixing coke with Mountain Dew. Oh my god.
Pakka will get one comment saying this Chooth used to like mix Coke and Mountain Dew together. I used to know a friend in 12th who would eat Maggie 5 days a week, and she would be obsessed with it.
You know how to make her unobsessed? You know
Yeah.
bro code?
Yeah.
Yeah, make her make Maggie with bro code and have it.
What's bro?
Dude, bro code, man. Not like bro code, like how we have it.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Where is she going with bro code?
Bro code is this beer that has like this sparkling effect. It
It's
somehow.
a wine cooler, but like also beer.
It's a beer, but like tastes like wine at times.
Yeah,
Oh,
and it's very alcoholic.
why is it
the
called bro
fuck are
code?
you
That's the name.
If it tastes like wine.
Oh, my friends have done that.
Do bros drink wine?
Wine is a.
Very, very chick drink, no?
Yeah.
Thank God, dude.
Isn't?
Hey, Anna, the reference is made. Did you guys notice where his sister's drinking whiskey?
Oh,
And he's like,
yeah.
hey, wine pee.
No.
हाँ, wine
Take
pee.
wine, it's good.
It's good for you or something. Yeah.
I think
that's subtle, like,
But I think-
commentary.
but I think it's a.
But what does it
Saint
mean
Bola.
though? What does it mean though?
He said
What is he like?
He was drinking whiskey and all. So he's like, don't get into whiskey, drink wine, it's good.
Yeah.
I think it's a good thing to say, man.
No, he said that because wine's a chick drink.
That
You
also,
stick to
that's a
your-
two different thing. I feel like there's two perspectives.
But does alcohol damage women more, like hard drinks, than
Yeah.
men? Is
No,
that,
I'm
Yeah,
not
he-
sure.
then why are you
I'm not
saying
sure.
that it will be like? Acha,
You're just
that's what he
looking-
meant.
Yeah, just looking after your sisters, man. It's just how
Okay, less alcohol percentage.
my dad would ask me not to get into hot drinks. He would ask me to drink beer or something. Isn't that fair?
But look how you turned out.
पापा ने मैं नहीं पीता यार ये ऐसे ही बोलती है.
It's so funny. I've
Hey,
never
still
I've never
going.
drank with you. I've never seen you drink yet. I'm like,
And yet
look
I'm
at
like,
you.
you're like alcoholic है तू.
Have you guys seen the Balatkar?
Oh, have you seen that video where Hrithik? It was a Hrithik and Kareena Kapoor movie, and so there's a song, "Dil nahi todunga," and he like hugs her ass or something.
So what does that mean?
That's so weird. Hrithik Roshan, Kareena Kapoor, ass.
I'm
Hugging.
sure you will not find ass.
Ass
hugging.
Dude, no way you find the video.
Yeah.
If I do, ass hugging song.
But you,
Oh, wait. I found it. Wait.
if it's not as funny as you say it is, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Find where he says "dil nahi tod." Ha, I saw.
Wait. You saw what?
I
Ass.
saw some ass. Are you sure it's coming?
Coming.
Okay. Okay, it was kind of funny. He's just holding up there or what? Just jump over, bro.
But was it that? He just held it for like one. Dil nahi toda.
But it's funnier if you just stop it there. Dil nahi todunga. I don't do like this. Yeah.
Gaan todunga.
Wow.
I didn't say
Dude, that sounds so. That sounds. So when like one gali is coming out of a girl, no, it sounds so.
that. Wrong?
Not
No,
wrong.
it doesn't sound like a gali.
That's so mean.
That's not me. Not. It does sound like a gali, but it just sounds.
Non.
It doesn't. It
Yeah.
comes off like a rubber bullet or something.
It's a very cute way.
Yeah.
Like
It doesn't do the
Laude
damage.
ke baal bolegi.
It doesn't
Say
do
laude ke
damage.
baal.
Louder ke baal.
See, it's
It did come with emotion. Arey, if you do something, it'll come out with emotion.
It needs to come like labde ke baal.
Laude.
Nakkan.
What is
Say
nak-
nakkan.
Nakkan. What is
This is such a
nakkan?
cute way. She.
What is
Yeah, it's like
nakkan?
dhakkan or something.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
but what nakkan means what
Nakkan
dog?
means teri behan ki. Basically.
Yeah.
Ninnamma, ninnakka.
Me namma. See.
Bro,
this
she
is-
doesn't know Kannada, dude. Like basics.
Yeah, dude.
I know.
All her
Basics.
life here.
Oud
Dude,
is
And
oud.
basics is
I don't
galis. You need to know the galis of the place
not
where you
fair.
live, bro.
We all have iPhones here?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck.
We're all like victims to that
Yeah.
Apple flexing mentality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But किसी को
Pictures,
मजा नहीं आया.
iPhones, H&M,
H&M? Oh,
H&M.
हाँ, H&M.
Zara.
हाँ. Oh my God.
Zara and all I don't
I'm in
own,
full.
bro.
Yeah.
You do.
I'm
own
wearing
Zara.
full. this
Full
thing,
Zara?
Yeah.
Yeah. For girls, it's
Yeah,
H&M
it's-
now.
Yeah.
But it's sort of flex though. It's not like it's. That
But it's a package.
Yeah. But with
Like
me,
a-
it's like, bro, you're wearing a Zara, but I'm like, I'm just wearing a Ramraj or something.
Yeah.
What is Ramaraj? What is Ramaraj? What am I? Wait,
Dude,
what am I
Ramraj,
missing?
dude, like one of the
Kamraj.
biggest. Ramraj. One of the biggest South Indian textile company. Yeah, like almost all of the, the dhotis, the panche and all that we get is Ramraj.
I wear dhoti. How will I know?
But like
who's
you should know
Ramraj?
sarees
Yeah,
also
South
you
India
get
is the
know.
biggest brand.
It is basically a very big
I've
brand.
never heard.
Like zero marketing, nothing, but everyone knows the brand.
Clearly, not everybody knows. 'Cause I
Haven't
don't
you
know.
seen the stores in like 20 years of your
Maybe
life?
if you like see the logo or something, you'll be like,
Sure.
oh,
Bro.
this one.
Ramraj? I've never. I know Raymond.
Hey, did you know that Raymond is actually Indian?
It is India. Yeah.
Fuck you!
You didn't know
I
that?
need to leave this fucking room right now.
Wait, you. Oh, so you didn't.
I
know.
didn't know.
You didn't
Because
know
it was
that
such a
founder
like.
has been like kicked out by his son and all.
Acha, okay, tell me. Louis Philippe,
Yeah.
Louis
Peter
Philippe.
England,
They're all Indian.
Louis Philippe.
Van
is
Heusen.
Indian,
Van Heusen is Indian?
they're all owned by Aditya Birla.
Oh yeah, they built.
Okay. No, this one.
there. What
I
is
think so.
that? I've never seen it in my life.
Oh my god.
I swear to God.
Have you lived in Marathali all your life?
Yeah. Yeah.
Marathali also.
Illa machali and illa.
Actually, nothing is there.
Like apartments, schools, hospitals, bit in malls. You don't see that
Yeah.
Bengaluru feel.
Arey, but I traveled to like MG Road and all. I'm always there.
MG Road and all, how can you expect, bro? Ramraj and all.
Have you watched these Theory of Everything?
That,
Is it like a
Aryabhatta
documentary?
one, no.
I'm just very happy with the answers I'm getting.
It's a
That's
documentary.
a podcast in itself.
It's a movie, Aryabhatta ka movie.
Besharmo.
No, Aryabhatta, arey, the other scientist, I forgot his name. Rameshwaram,
You all know Stephen Hawking because of that
Oh!
fucking... It's not Stephen Hawking.
Who is it?
It's C.V. Raman.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Indian scientist.
Yeah.
Same thing. They were both
Same
scientists.
thing, yeah.
Aryabhatta,
C.V.
C.V.
Raman,
Raman.
same thing.
Yeah, but one of them liked midgets.
Hey, so does he.
What? Yeah, I think it's time to wrap it up, guys. It was a
Now you see how much
good
is
fucking podcast, to be honest.
Not bad for the first one.
Yeah, dude, I've seen worse.
Have you?
I've seen worse first episodes.
Hmm?
dude. Like,
I have not watched a lot of podcasts or listened to a lot of them.
so thank you for watching, guys. I think it was a great episode, great starter.
We hope.
Yeah, we
So
hope.
we hope to bring you more
Yeah.
videos.
We
Once
hope to
a
be seen
week.
again.
I think that's doable
Hmm.
if the edit doesn't take long. So we really hope to see you again. See you signing off. The Only Friends.
See you
Bye.
guys.
We hope this
Yeah.
gets aired. Hopefully, there's
Hopefully,
some content
hopefully,
in it.
Yes, we hope.
At least reels में तो
Reels में.
Reels में तो
Yes.
Let's see.